Hi guys, welcome to the premiere episode of the Traders Hub podcast. And on here we have Thelma Opurum. He's an amazing personality, a web developer, a crypto and forex trader, and a whole lot more. I could add a chef. Good to have you here, Thelma.
To have you.
Yeah. And on this podcast, we'll be discussing cryptocurrency versus Nigeria, or Nigeria versus cryptocurrency. That's what we are going to be discussing today. And on Traders Hub podcast, we'll be sharing insights on forex and crypto, and basically financial insights, trends, and a whole lot happening in the financial space. So, guys, I don't think it's what you want to miss out on. Thelma, you're going to tell us a bit about cryptocurrency because it's actually a trend. And we know there's a lot of back and forth regards to cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
So can you shed a little light?
Okay. So cryptocurrency basically it's they used to say a few years ago they used to say it's the future of money.
Yeah.
But right now cryptocurrency is money. We are in the future that
we're in the future. That's so true.
But in that future that we've always talked about. So crypto is quite simple. I think the simplicity is what makes it very out there as of today. So it's a way of sending out money, or the technology behind it, basically cryptocurrency in itself, sending out money, transactions. Basically it's beyond money, right? So performing transactions digitally basically. Yeah. So and in the midst of performing those transactions, there is no intermediary.
Yeah.
So and that
is decentralized. Do I get it right?
Exactly. That is where the decentralization comes in. So it aids the means of transaction. Cryptocurrency aids the means of transaction, financial transaction, without an intermediary. We can also refer to it as a peer-to-peer environment. And cryptocurrency is backed up by a technology called the blockchain technology. So I think that's a very simple brief about cryptocurrency. As of today, we have over 10,000 cryptocurrencies circulating everywhere. So it's a large industry. However, the industry is just about 13 years old, if I'm not wrong, 13 years old. So there's a lot to actually explore, and we are just started with cryptocurrency.
Yeah, so true. If I should ask, Thelma, do you think cryptocurrency is an advantage to Nigeria or a disadvantage?
Honestly, it's an advantage.
I think so too.
When Satoshi built this, when he built the protocol in 2008 and all, of course, he had good intentions, and those good intentions will remain. So it is an advantage for whatever country adopts it. For example, El Salvador, backed up by the IMF, International Monetary Fund, they now accept cryptocurrency as a legal tender.
Wow, that's great. Yeah, I saw that in the news some time ago.
As a legal tender in their country.
So you can actually walk into a supermarket and use Bitcoin to pay for your stuff.
Exactly. In fact, they have cryptocurrency cards.
I think that's making it more easier rather than moving around with a whole lot of money, box and bags, Ghana must go of cash. You literally just walk into a place, but you have your money with you. A digital form
of your money, and that's way easier. Right? So for whatever country, not just Nigeria, it's an advantage. Rather, it is a very good advantage. In fact, it is going to boost the GDP of the country.
I think so. And lately there have been a lot of back and forth regards to crypto in Nigeria. I would say regards to regulations and the rest. Do you think that the government is supporting the move of growing this reformation or this evolution about cryptocurrency?
Okay, I used to tell people something, and what is that? I used to say that the banks will never go away.
Yeah,
we have to come to a point where the banks begin to infuse cryptocurrency. That's the first thing I say. I also say something, and I usually say cryptocurrency will not work if there are no regulations. That is the truth, because cryptocurrency is the technology behind this is very funny. It can be used for dubious acts and all. So that is where regulations have to come in. However, what we are facing in Nigeria is the level of regulation, the strict level of regulation, because it seems the government wants to personalize it. Right. So regulation is not a bad thing. It's needed.
So should that be the back and forth we are facing right now?
Yes, that is.
Well, I would say Nigeria didn't create cryptocurrency, and Nigeria is not the founder of cryptocurrency. I don't think Nigeria can stop it. So there's a future in cryptocurrency, and I think cryptocurrency have come to stay.
Of course.
And lately, you can see that there have been a lot of new bees coming into the space because more awareness is being created.
Correct.
Yeah, like what you said too, the misuse of it, like for fraudulent activities, is also on the rise. I think that's part of the thing the government really want to curtail. You
Correct.
can see, recently you saw a music artist called Davido dropped a meme coin that was rug pulled. So these are things we would be seeing in the space. And what do you have to say about Davido's coin?
Okay, honestly, Davido is, I think, is one of the finest African music artists.
Yeah,
and of course,
no doubt. Kudos to Davido.
So, and he launched his meme coin, and however, news say, or what we were able to get from what happened, the incident, was that he used its influence to actually push out that meme coin, right?
Yeah,
and of course, it was rug pulled. And how do I put it now? There's a lot of chain reactions that have gone after that incident, because people lost their money, right?
That's
because
true.
When there's a rug pull, a lot of people lose their money.
That's
people
true.
lose their money, and newbies trying to get into crypto, there will now be sort of sentiment.
Yeah,
exactly.
Like, am I coming in here to lose my money?
Exactly. So people need to get educated, and of course, another chain reaction is the government. The government say, so music stars or popular people are now.
I think they would have to. You see a lot of celebrities coming into the space using their influence to make away with people's funds, and I think that's why it should be curtailed.
Exactly.
And I think I'm also of the opinion the regulations should be there. You get, but not the way the government is coming at it. You get, it shouldn't be so strict because it's a decentralized form of
course.
So I don't think it should be so cruel. Should I use that word? Or it should be so tight. You get? So it's something that they should curtail right now to avoid a lot of celebrities coming into the space using their influence to rug pull a lot of projects.
Correct.
What do you think about that?
Honestly, I think that's the way we should go about it. It should be regulated.
It should be regulated.
Crypto should be regulated. However, let it favor everyone. Let it favor new businesses. Let it favor existing businesses. Let it favor the common man.
That's true.
For example, now, let me just quickly talk about the in-era, right? So the in-era, some people say it was a failed project. Actually, some people say it was a failed project. But it's coming back now, right? It's coming back because there are some discussions that are already internal in, trying to revive the in-era. However, if the in-era really wants to be revived, whatever regulation that needs to be put in place should favor everybody. So
that's true.
The common man will accept the in-era.
That's true.
If we have the CBDCs come back again, come on, the country is going to be in a lot of profits.
That's true.
It's going to help the GDP. We're going to have quite a lot of investors coming in again, because it's boosting. It's going to be boosting the foreign exchanges. It's going to be boosting the foreign
economy.
Markets. It's going to be boosting the economy and stuff like that. So we advocate regulations come in play, but whatever regulation is coming in play, let it favor the common man. Let it favor the pepper seller. Let it favor people that are doing the least business, the Uber drivers. Let it favor everybody, right?
Like the way the crypto world is actually growing now, and the awareness is on the rise. I think there should be more education on it regards to newbies, because right now you can see the tap of a thing. Everybody, even someone that doesn't know about this is tapping to make money. You get? So I think, but on the long run, not everybody tapping will make money. You get? At the end of the day, some of them tapping and even want to put in their money will lose their money too. And some would not even know how to get their money off and also knowing how the system works. So I think more education should be on our universities, our down to secondary schools. There should be more awareness about cryptocurrency, because trust me, cryptocurrency is the future. Imagine where there would be no physical cash again.
True.
Everything you have to do be thumbprint, or you put your thumb and the funds is taken away
or
from
you swipe,
your wallet,
or
or you swipe or whatever you get. So a lot of things are coming to play because technology as a whole is evolving.
Very true.
You get? So the way things are done 10 years ago is not the same way right now.
Very true.
That's the reason why our parents, most of them are not able to catch up with the trend, because everything has changed. You can see the market woman still prefers to go with cash. Give me money. You will say, I want to do even the transfer, they will not want. They want physical money. But they fail to understand that things are way beyond that. Revolution has taken place. The technology is evolving as the day goes. So, and we are seeing it very clearly that crypto is the future. Not even is the future. Crypto is now. Because I myself, I can remember a lot of properties I've acquired. I didn't pay physical money. I didn't pay through transfers. I paid through crypto. The digital form of dollar, which is USDT. You get? That's what I used to make payment for a lot of properties I've gotten. So I think with time, a lot of people will get used to it because the awareness is on the rise. So newbies should always make findings before going into any project. That's one advice I would give. Make findings, go and learn. And that's the reason why we have the probabafx Academy. The probabafx Academy helps you to understand crypto and forex, in-depth part of it, not just surface. You learn the surface and you also learn the in-depth part of it. And that's why we have a lot of tutors. And I would like to let you know that Thelma Opurum is also one of your tutors when it comes to cryptocurrency with the Probaba EA consult. So guys, crypto is the future. Thelma, do you have anything to tell them?
Yeah, so thank you, Probaba. So in a nutshell, I think what we are trying to say here basically is do your own research.
Yeah,
in the midst of doing your own research, gain knowledge.
Yeah.
Don't jump into the waters of cryptocurrency without proper knowledge. Get knowledge, and Probaba EA Consults offers that, like, on a very, very large scale. Like, if you are really thirsty in learning cryptocurrencies, forex, how the forex market works, how the crypto market works, sign up to the probabafx Academy today, and of course you get started. And yes, you have a certificate upon completion of the academy.
All right, I would like to throw a little light. There are two different things here: the Probaba EA Consult, which is the company and the umbrella, and we also have the probabafx Academy. So the probabafx Academy, it's for you guys who wants to learn. Then the Probaba EA Consult is the company, is the umbrella that helps a lot of brokers grow their business in Africa, and they're also educating brokers on how they can effectively serve the clients and audience and students too. So guys, I think this section is something I don't think you guys will be missing, and it will be coming your way every Wednesday, which is the Traders Hub podcast. So guys, what are you waiting for?
Let's milk it.